Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another LEGO video. And today will be part 2 of the LEGO 602320 fire station set. So in part 1, we built the fire helicopter, and we also built the fire truck with the pretty powerful thing. Just do it one more time. This is really funny. So yeah. And now we're going to be building the fire station. So yeah, this is going to be consisting of 4, 5, and 6. Of bags 4, 5, and 6, which... So, let's see. First, I'm going to do bag numero 4. Which is actually a pretty big bag, I'm not going to lie. It's pretty big. Also, the big book. Okay. So this one's going to be a little bit harder to make since we don't have much room. So, hold on a sec. Okay. We have now more room. Okay, you can see my fire station, my other fire station in the distance. Okay. Move all this stuff back. This is something that I'm working on. I'm not gonna say because I already said it in the other video. The 1-year anniversary video, what I was just working on. So, yeah. Okay, good. Alright, so now that we have more room, I guess. Let's try and move some of this back a little bit. Well, I don't really know where we can move all this stuff. I now have a new idea. I'm going to put all the parts right here, right next to where this camera is. Okay, let's, I have to get this done, pretty quick. Actually, no, we got time. Never mind, we got time. We're probably not gonna eat until like 6:30, maybe 7 o'clock. So, yeah. So, yeah. So let me put all these up here, actually. Let me set the bigger pieces in the back because it'll just be It'll just be better if I put all the big pieces in the back, and then I'll scale down. Yeah, this will be a lot better, except I can't open them there. Thank you. Just whatever. Okay. So we need to build the minifigure first. So okay. Alright, so you're gonna need these pants. These are just black pants. And then you need the torso, like this. And then, oh man. Oh, the head's over here. And you need this woman's head with some glasses. That. Right now she looks like she has cancer. She has no hair, but we'll fix that right now. So we're gonna have this firefighter hat with hair. Red hair to be exact. She's a redhead. As you can tell, she's a redhead. So yeah, pretty clever Lego. Okay. So we're gonna put this to the side for right now. Now we're gonna build the fire station. First, we're gonna be building the garage bay. So first, we're going to need, let's start off with the big ones. Next, you're gonna take a 6x12 plate. Then you're gonna take two. You're gonna take two 2x2 tiles. Place them like this, red and white. And then you're gonna take two 1x2 cheese slope pieces. And then you're gonna need two 2x2 by I don't know how tall these are, but these are pretty tall. You're gonna need two of these in black, and you're gonna set them like this. So they're facing forward. And then you're gonna need two 1x8 tiles in dark bluish gray. And you set them there and right there. And then you're gonna take another 6x12 plate, and you're gonna set it right there. I see how they did it like this, so that it would just like roll up instead of rolling down. It would like roll up and stop it. So yeah, pretty clever. And then we're gonna have two 1 by 10 bricks in red. So we're just gonna put them right there. And then we're gonna take another 6 by 12 plate and we're gonna set it right there. And then we're gonna take a 1 by 2 silver grill piece and set it right there. And then we're gonna take 2 dang it. I don't know what fell. Okay. And then you're gonna take 2 1 by 2 Technic bricks, and then just in dark bluish gray. You're gonna put 1 there and 1 there. And then you're gonna take, hold on, 2 1 by 2 2 by 2 1 by 2 by 2 I guess 30-degree slope bricks, I don't know. And then you're gonna set 1 here and 1 there. Next, you're gonna take 2 1 by 2 by 3 slope bricks. I'm gonna take 1, put 1 there, and another 1 right there. And then I'm gonna take 2 1 by 1 by 3 column bricks. You're gonna set 1 there and set 1 there. And then you're gonna take 2 by 2 by 3 column bricks. You're gonna put 1 there and 1 there. And then you're gonna take 1 by 2 by 3 slope bricks, and you're gonna set them right on top, right there. And then you're going to take 2 1 by 2 by 3 column bricks and light bluish gray. And then you're going to take 2 1 by 2 bricks with 1 by 2 tan bricks with this pattern on it, and we'll set them on top of the column bricks right there. Next, you're going to take 4 not this time 4 1 by 2 by 5 column bricks with the groove in the middle, and then I'm going to set these. Then you're going to set these tall boys right there. You're going to connect them on top of each other, and you set the tall boys, tall boys, right there. Oh, wait. I did them wrong. You're going to set 1 here and 1 here. Sorry, I did that wrong. And then you're going to take another dark bluish gray 1 by 8 tile, and you set it right there. And then you're going to take 2 more 1 by 2 bricks with this pattern on them. We're going to take these 2 and put them right there. And then we take 2, and we're going to take a 1 by 10 brick And then you're going to set them right there. And then you're going to take one of these sliding pieces, and then you take 11 of these white ones, and then 11 of these light blue, transparent light blue ones. And then you're just going to connect them up, like so. Five. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and finally 12. And then you're going to set them in all 12 segments. That one's 1, and then these are 12. Yeah, I did add an extra one to make it a little more tall. And then you're going to take two 1 by 14 bricks with the groove in them that goes like this. Okay, there we go. Alright. Next, we're going to take a 1 by 10 plate and a 2 by 10 plate. So, set 2 by 10 back there. Actually, wait, no. The other way around. Set the 1 by 10 plate right there, and then the 2 by 10 plate right there. And then we're gonna have two 2 by 2. Hold on, let me find the other one. The other one must have fallen, I think. I can't find it. So you're gonna take two 2x2 curved slopes in dark bluish gray. You're gonna take two of them, and then you're gonna take this 2x10 brick. I'm gonna set it right there. And then I'm gonna take a 4x10 plate in light bluish gray, and another 2x10 plate in light bluish gray. Then you're going to take two 1x2 glue pieces in blue. I'm going to set them right here. Let me give it some height real quick. Hold up. Nope, that's perfect. So make sure it's always level. Okay, good. So now that we're starting to get high, I'm gonna raise it up. So, oh yeah, now you can see the set a little better now. Okay, now you're gonna take two 1x10 bricks, and I'm gonna set them in the remaining areas here and here. And these are in red. And then you're going to take two 1x8 tiles, place one here and one here. And then you're going to take two 1x4 tile plates in tan, place one here and here. Next, you're going to flip it around to this side. You're going to take two of these 1x2 slope tiles. You're going to take two of them and place them right there in white. And then just take a 2x2 tile and place it right there. You're going to flip it back around. And then you're going to take a 1x3 tile. And you're going to place it right there. And I usually call it dark tan. So yeah, dark tan. And then I'm going to take a 2x8 plate in dark tan. I mean just regular in tan. And I'm going to set it right there. Like that. And then I'm going to take two 1x4 arch bricks. I'm going to set one there. And set one there. And then I'm going to take this this 4x8 angled plate. I'm going to take two of them, and then you're going to place one there and another one right here. This will be for the helicopter's helipad. And then you're going to take four transparent blue round tiles. I lost one, so I just got an extra one. So I'm going to put, okay, two here and two over here. I think I'm going to take two and take two 1x2 cheese slope pieces, place them right there. And then I'm going to take two cool yellow 1x6 tiles. And then I'm going to take two more right there. They could have just used 2x6 ones, but maybe they haven't made any yet. And then I'm going to take a 2x2 tile and place it in the middle to make an H. And then I'm going to take 1x2 tiles with like a bar on top. Take 2 of them and place them there and there. Next, you're going to take a 1x4 plate. Then you're going to take a 1x1x3 brick, column brick. And then you're going to take a 1x... Hold on. Oh my god. And then you're going to take a 1x2x3 panel piece. And then you're going to take a 1x2x3 angled brick, inverted slope brick, so like that. And then I'm going to take a 1x4x3 panel piece. And then I'm going to take a 1x2x3 angle brick. And then I'm going to set it right here on the side like that. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, except the panels are going to be facing inward. So I'm going to do the same thing again. Oh, I found the other piece. I didn't drop it. I just couldn't find it, that's all. Okay, so I made the same thing except the panels are facing inward. So I'm just going to put it right there. Next, I'm going to take this 6x12 towel plates, and we're just going to stick it like this. So this. Alright, so now we will move on to bag 5, which actually has 2 bags. We're going to start off with this one, which is the smaller one. How am I going to fit all of this right here? I have an idea. We pour this small one over here. Obviously, everything is out of the way. Okay, I'm gonna try and put it on here. It actually worked. It actually worked pretty well. Holy crap. You know, these windows are like solid blue. I'm not even joking. Ooh. Oh, I thought that was gold. I thought that was a gold instead. But whatever. It's not. Okay. Now that that is done, we will now move on. We will put this to the side for right now. By my side, I mean the floor. Alright, we will now make the minifigure. Why is there an Xbox? There's like a controller here. It's like an Xbox controller. I don't know if you can see it, but it looks like an Xbox controller. Can't seem to find the pants. Huh. Maybe it's over in this pile. Hold on. Yeah. Why did they do that? That's kind of weird. Okay, so I'm gonna take this black pants, take this white torso. This white torso, and I'm gonna take this smiling headpiece, and then black hair. And then you can also add a mug to him. It's like he's enjoying his day. They holding hands. Okay. We're gonna take a 6x12 plate in green. Actually, I don't know if I should end it here or if I should continue going. I'll be right back. I'll be right back, guys.
I got an email about an order that I had placed for a top loading
It's okay, Misty. I'm sorry. Okay. I'm just gonna end it here because I don't know what time we're eating dinner, but for right now I'm just gonna end it. So I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.